Imagine waking up 30 days from now and feeling unstoppable. The goals you dreamed of achieving no longer seem unattainable. They become your reality. This is not magic. It's the power of small, consistent habits. Today, we dive into 10 small habits that will transform your life in just 30 days. But first of all, if you like the video and subscribe to my channel, you will motivate me to make such videos. Let's unlock your full potential. Take just 5 minutes every morning and start your day with an intention. Whether you write it down in a notebook, meditate, or visualize your goals, be assured that this simple habit will set your mind on a meaningful path. When you wake up with a clear goal, you will already have a head start on your day. Tomorrow morning, write down one thing you will accomplish before the day is over. Put it where you can see it and focus on it throughout the day. See what changes. Don't waste hours at the gym. A 10-minute walk or light stretching will energize your body and strengthen your mind. Physical activity is not just about fitness. It is the cornerstone of self-discipline and mental clarity. Right after this video, challenge yourself and do 10 push-ups or dance to your favorite music. You will feel the energy flowing through you. Take an hour a day to focus deeply on a single goal. Whether it's learning a skill, working on a project, or reading a book, this habit will change everything. Eliminate distractions. Right now, create a distraction-free space and set a timer for 25 minutes of pure focus, what we call the Pomodoro technique. I'm going to make a video about this Pomodoro technique in the near future. I'll explain it in more detail there. Now start with a single task and see how much you achieve. A sense of gratitude changes your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. This simple practice will train your brain to see the positive. Tonight, before you go to bed, think of something you are grateful for and share it in the comments. Let's spread our positivity together. Big conversions come from small, consistent improvements. Aim to improve by just 1% every day. Whether it's reading 1 more page, learning 1 more word, or running 1 minute more, these small gains add up over time. Pick one area of your life and commit to making a 1% improvement every day for the next 30 days and track your progress. Your mind is the most powerful weapon you have, but it is up to you to keep it sharp. Just like a muscle, your mind gets stronger as it is exercised. To achieve this, you only need to spend 10 minutes a day learning. Think about it. What can you do in 10 minutes? You can feed your imagination by reading a book, gain new knowledge by watching an educational video, or practice a skill. Learn a new language, improve your cooking techniques, or simply increase your ability to solve a problem. The options are endless. Your mind becomes more creative, more confident, and more courageous. Because learning is not just an action, it is a lifestyle. Now ask yourself this question. Don't I have 10 minutes to change my life? If your answer is yes, start today. Remember, the sharper you keep your mind, the more clearly you see opportunities. Plant a seed today, because tomorrow, that seed will grow into a strong tree. Your environment is a mirror of your mindset. Although you may not realize it, the order or disorder around you directly affects your mental state. A cluttered space leads to a cluttered mindset. It saps your energy, distracts you, and undermines your motivation. But here's the good news. Organizing your environment is one of the easiest ways to organize your mind. Imagine if you took just 5 minutes every day to organize your desk, your room, or your digital files. What kind of order and clarity would this small effort bring to your life? A clean desk opens up space, not only physically but also mentally. By removing clutter, you send a message to your brain, here we are, ready to focus and create. Tidying up unnecessary papers on your desk, getting rid of clutter in your room, or simplifying the complex file structure on your computer. These simple steps increase your productivity and refresh your energy. The more organized your environment is, the easier it is to focus on your goals. Think about it. Even artists need a blank canvas before they can create their work. Because a clear space means a clear mind. You are the painter of your life, and with a focused mind, you can paint any picture you want. Now ask yourself this question. Don't I have 5 minutes to get my life in order? If the answer is yes, start today. A small habit can open the door to a big change. Remember, an organized environment not only improves your quality of life, but also strengthens your self-esteem. Start small, because a clean space is the first step to a clear mind. And this clear mind will lead you to the fear you dream of. Life is a journey, but you don't have to make this journey alone. It makes a difference to have a strong support network by your side as you set out to achieve your dreams and realize your goals. Your friends, family, and mentors are your most valuable resources that will make your journey more meaningful and sustainable. Relationships, like plants, require time and care. So how often do we give them the attention they need? Asking a friend how they are doing, having a heart-to-heart with your family, or asking your mentor for advice. These small but powerful steps not only make their lives better, but also build a wall of trust and support for you. There will always be difficult times. The obstacles on the way to your goals will sometimes tire you out, and sometimes make you want to stop and give up. It is in those moments that this strong support network around you comes into play. Words of encouragement from a friend, a sincere hug from a family member, or guidance from a mentor can help you get back on your feet. Remember, success is never an individual story. Even the greatest leaders and most successful entrepreneurs have a support team around them, because being together gives you strength. Problems that seem small when you are alone become easy steps to overcome when you are a team. Now ask yourself this question: what can I do today to strengthen my relationships? A phone call, a coffee chat, or just a "how are you" message. A small step can be the beginning of a big connection. And remember, these relationships will not only be there for your challenges, but also to celebrate your successes. Life is a journey, and the best journeys are the ones shared with love and support. Grow your relationships today, because strong bonds will get you to your dreams faster. Now, close your eyes and think about your dream life. Visualize that moment, that life in all its details. Where do you live? Who is with you? What kind of work do you do? What is the atmosphere around you? Try to feel yourself there, having achieved success. What kind of excitement? What kind of peace? What kind of pride do you feel inside? This exercise is a much more powerful tool than you might think, because visualization trains your brain to see success as an achievable goal. Your imagination is one of the most powerful keys to your subconscious mind. Your brain has a hard time distinguishing between reality and imagination. And when you create this clear, vivid image of success in your mind's eye, your brain starts to give you ways to make it happen. Now, take one step closer to that dream. Ask yourself these questions. What steps did I take to get there? What habits did I change? What opportunities did I seize? These questions are the beginning of turning your dream into a real roadmap. Because success starts with imagination and only becomes a reality through concrete actions. Remember, successful people make a difference not only by achieving their goals, but also by visualizing and believing in them. You can't build a future you haven't imagined. Visualization isn't just a hope. It's a command to your brain. I will make this happen. Spend a few minutes every day on this visualization exercise. Keep that dream alive. Because if you see things clearly enough in your mind's eye, you become more willing and determined to take the steps needed to achieve those goals. Turning your dream into reality starts with seeing it clearly. Don't be afraid to dream, because your future is first shaped in your mind. Close your eyes today, feel that success, and remind yourself, if I can dream it, I can happen. Every step forward is progress. Great achievements are built on small but continuous steps. So, recognize and celebrate every small victory, because those small successes are the most important building blocks that carry you to the big goals you dream of. In life, we often focus only on the big results, but big victories don't happen overnight. They come with the accumulation of small steps taken with patience and perseverance. Maybe today you have achieved a very small success. You solved a problem, completed a task, or just got a little closer to your goal. This is worth celebrating, because that small step is a step that moves you forward. Be kind to yourself. Often you underestimate your effort because you think it doesn't look big enough in the eyes of others. But remember, the measure of success is personal. Every step that is meaningful to you is a real achievement. Appreciate the effort you put in. Whether you've started a new habit or achieved a small goal, see each as an opportunity to celebrate. These celebrations don't have to be huge. Eating a favorite meal, taking a short break, thanking yourself for a few minutes. These remind yourself that you are aware of your progress and find it valuable. These kinds of rewards increase your motivation and keep you going stronger on your journey. Think now, what did you accomplish today? Realize that this step, no matter how small it may seem, has brought you a little closer to your dream life. Take a moment to thank yourself, because everything you do makes you a stronger, more successful, and more determined person. Life is a journey, and every step is part of that journey. Celebrate the small steps, because without them, big victories are not possible. Make this promise to yourself. I will cherish every step I take today and honor this journey as it deserves. Small steps are the harbingers of big dreams. Recognize them, rejoice, and continue your journey with pride.